Hello guys, so I just got a package from Staze and I am going to show you guys what I got. Ordered 3 things and I got one for free. I wanted to try their 3-in-1 lippy shade, so I got 2 of these. I got the brick pink one for my cousin, so I am not going to open that one, but I got this one for myself, which is 03 Caramel Rose. So let's open that up. Supposed to last for 12 hours and it is supposed to be matte and transfer proof. I guess we are going to find out, shall we? I wonder if the brick pink one has the same packaging or that one's a little different, but this is what I got. Ta-da! This is the 3-in-1 shade. So it's like different shades on both sides. Let's see. That is one shade. That is another shade. And then I guess you're supposed to mix it together for the third shade. Quite pretty. Like one triangle over here, this is one shade, and then you see another triangle over here, that is another shade, and then on this triangle you see another shade. There are 3 shades in total, and as you keep going up you'll know what I mean. Like, see these two, when you mix it up it creates a whole different shade. So I'm gonna try the more peachy side. The formula is so smooth, very soft formula. Oh, that's so pretty. And you can definitely mix the 2 up. Now, is this long lasting? Let's find out. Definitely not transfer proof, but for the formula, it does stain your lip a little bit. Yes, if you are getting this expecting a 12-hour wear, then you will be disappointed. The other thing I got from them is this. It's their little blush. It is also a 3-in-1 concept, but a different 3-in-1 concept. This 3-in-1 means lip, cheek, and eyes. So I got it in the shade 02 Bite. I didn't have any stick blush, which is why I got this. Oh, this is very wearable. Love the shade. Glossy. And a lovely pink, which I feel will suit a lot of different skin tones. And then I'm just gonna grab a little brush, blend it. A bit sticky formula. Yeah, it is sticky. So for us oily girls, you don't need to set that up with a little powder. It is not transfer proof, but it is long lasting. And this is the free one that they gave me. It is called 02 Mocha Muse. Let's see. This is a different type of a lippy. I wanted like brown, nudie brown shades, and I feel like I got that in this stash. The formula is very, very soft. A bit more on the nudie side than this 3-in-1 Staze one that I got in Caramel Rose. I'm actually very happy with the color selection. It looks very pretty. The formula is really good. It is not transfer proof, so I don't know why they're claiming it to be transfer proof. Is it long lasting? Now, I did swatches over here, so you can see that it's definitely not transfer proof. It did smudge all over, but it is going to leave a little bit of a tint on your lips. So if that's what you're going for, I actually love the packaging, love the concept, like very new, and I love the blush as well. That is my little Staze stash. What would you get from them? Let me know in the comment section.